ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We have seen the last class up to the class F, I think we have seen Anasika
G, Rikaranta Dhatu.
up to this G. You know how this R becomes here? Which I taught you in the. So this is the change happening to Vikaranta Angag. You can see here Gru becoming here. I written the rule here. Vikaranta Dhatu will take Vikaradesha, right? Therefore, Tru will become Tir.
Tir.
Then that Repa will become Repar Vakara, that's the rule. Repar Vakara for Dhatu at the end of the Padam are followed by a consonant. Then Upada, ik letter will get Dirgha Adesha. Tir plus, now we are doing Ishta Pratyaya. So Mitta, so which is a consonant follows. Therefore, T will become T. Right? That's what become T. Therefore, Tr become Tir, Tr become. Then after the Tir, then that by this is what we call Angakarya. Then Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya. Changes happening to Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya is given separately here. So here what happens by the rule? Takara of the Nishta Pratyaya will be replaced by Nakara when preceded by Repa. Therefore, Nishta Takara will be replaced by Nakara. After that, Nattam happens. Right? Therefore, you get Tir Navat. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Plus Tir Navat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Similarly, Kir Navat, Tir Navat, Shir Navat, Jir Navat, Vasam Jirnani, Jir Navat, Stir Navat. But Puru will become
Purnavat.
Purnavat. Here, why? Because the preceding letter is Oshtya Varna.
Oshtya.
If it is a labial letter, then what happens? By the rule, If it is Oshtya Purva Rikara
Then
Dhatu, then
Ukara will.
instead of Ikara, it is
Ukaradesha.
Ukara. After that, same thing. Pur becomes, it is Pu. Pu becomes Dirgha, same rule, Repa followed by a consonant of a Dhatu. Then preceding letter, Ik letter will get Dirgha Desha, therefore Purna, Purnavat. After this, we saw. Now, from H onwards, we'll see. If you can have this document by your side, print out or whatever it is, soft copy, because you have to check whether it is in the list or not. So it'll be easy. Now, we'll try to complete today. Let us see all the categories if time permits. Now, Dhatu is ending with Dakara, right? And taking no Itagama. So it means all the Dhatus here, you'll see Anit Dhatus, right? And yes, said Dhatus are, that said also will become Anit with regard to Nishtha Pratyaya. How and all we will see. But you can see all other Dhatus are Anit, ye, right? Okay, Chid Dhatu, which is a Dakaranta Dhatu. Now, and it followed by Tavatu Pratyaya, Adhatuka Pratyaya, now taking no Itakama. Chid is a Dhatu which you will see in the list. It is there. Yes or no? Please see. Chid Dhatu. It is there. One of the 15 Dhatus of Dakaranta Dhatu. Here it is, right? Therefore, it is Anit. Do not take Itakama, right? So therefore, it will not take Itakama. Therefore, Chid plus Tavatu. What will happen? No Itakama. So therefore, we see Dhatu is Chid Dhatu, which means Dvaidi Karane, to divide, to cut. Dakarana Dhatu, it is in the list. Because it is in the list, therefore it is Anit. Anit means it is Ekach Anudata Dhatu, right? Therefore only it is Anit. So no Itakama. Chid plus Tavatu, what will happen? Dakara, and here it is Nishtha Takara. Therefore we know the rule. What is the rule? What changes happening to Nishtha Takara when what are the changes? We see that these rules. Takara Nishtha Pratyaya will be replaced by Nakara when preceded by Dakara. And also Dakara also will be replaced by Nakara. Number 2. This file you can see. This is a change. These are the changes happening to the Nishtha Pratyaya. Takara of the Nishtha Pratyaya. Therefore, this Takara will be replaced by Nakara, and Dakara also will be replaced by Nakara. This is a rule. That's why this is put, you have categorized separately. Dakara when followed by Dakara and the Dhatu. When it takes, when Nishtha Pratyaya Rupam is formed, then Dakara of the Nishtha Pratyaya as well as Dakara of the Dhatu, both will be replaced by Nakara. Both will be replaced separately by Nakara, not the same Nakara. Okay. So therefore, you get Chinna Vat, right? Chinnam. Wait. Chinna means cut. Right? Chiddhatu. Nainam Chindanti Shastrani. Chindanti. To cut. That's a dhatu only. Same dhatu. Chiddhatu. Chindanti. Chindantaha. Chindati. Chindataha. Chindanti. Nainam Chindanti. Okay. Chitva comes in the Gita. Jnana Asina. Jnana Asina Chitva. Chitva Sina. By the sword of knowledge. By the sword of knowledge, you cut this and you can free. It comes in the Gita. I think in the Gita, 4th chapter. 4th chapter, yeah. Chitvainam Samshayam Yogam Attishto Tishta Bharata Tasmad Jnana Sambhutam Ristam Jnana Sinatpanaha. Chitvainam Samshayam Yogam Attishto Tishta Bharata. Chit Dhatu. Chit plus Tva. Tva Pratyaya. Chitva, you get. Right? Chit plus Tva is Chit plus Tva Pratyaya. Tva, having that meaning. So it becomes Karicha will apply. The Kara will be replaced by Takara, therefore chitva, having cut, that is the thing. Okay. Then the next dhatu, if you see kid dhatu, so whatever dhatus are listed here, the same dhatus you will find here. The rupams are given here, kid, this, with, etc. So we will check that file. Okay. And finally, spand dhatu, set dhatu, why it is not taking takman, all those things are explained in the document. So this document is commentary to it. Elaborately, each dhatu is explained. Now, dakara and the dhatu kit, this is also in the list. You can check the list. From the list, we can infer this must be ekachanadada dhatu. So, because the list contains only ekachanadada dhatus, ekachanadada dhatus are anit. Therefore, it will not take itagama. Therefore, kid plus tavatu, same thing. Nakara as well as dakara of the dhatu, both will be replaced by nakara separately. Therefore, kinnavatu. Kid, dainye. Kinna, need to be sad. Kinna, so he is sorrow, depressed. Then, shvida, dhatu being with more than a shakara, upadeshika dhatu. So, therefore, it must be replaced by sakara. That's the first step. Therefore, swid. From swid only you get sweda. Swedaka, sweater. Swid means sweat. Right? Gatra praksharane. Gatra limbs, praksharane. So, kshara flows. So, from the limbs it flows. What? The sweat. And this is shvidha, adiddat. Is it letter. Therefore, we know because it is adit. Therefore, please check this document. Where here it's a separate rule. Adit dhatus. What will happen to adit dhatus? Nishta pratyaya after the adit dhatus. Akara is a it letter in which dhatus. Those dhatus are adit dhatus. That will not take. I mean, that will not support. Adit dhatus will not support itagama. Therefore, adit, being adit, therefore it will not take nishta. Therefore, it will not take itagama. That will not support itagama. Being adit, it will not support itagama. Should be support. Pratyaya will not take itagama. Therefore, swid plus tavatu of dakara of the dhatu and the nakara of the pratyaya. Therefore, nakara will be replaced by nakara and nakara also replaced by nakara. Therefore, spinnavatu. Similarly, bidir. Bid means to cut. Veda. This also bid. What will happen? This is in the list. You can check. Therefore, anit with plus tavatu will become binnavat. Binna. When you cut into a thing becomes two separate thing, different. Binnam, difference. Binna. Okay, binnavatu. The next one, shadla, important dhatu. From this only the word Upanishad. Aupadeshika dhatu beginning with the shakara. Therefore, it will be replaced with sakara. Therefore, sadhu. Lu is also it letter. Sadhu. Meaning is Vishranagati avasadhaneshu. Shakara, the Bhashim itself explains all this. Dhatu, entire dhatu, Vishranagati, all the three meanings. Yes. How the word Upanishad is the meaning of the word Upanishad. The three meanings are justified beautifully by the Vashyakara, the Vashyam. So, Vishranagati avasadhaneshu. So now Sad is, it is in the list, yes. Therefore, it must be ekachanadada dhatu and it. Therefore, Sad plus tavatu will get sannavatu. The next one, a plus pad dhatu, pad gatau. Divadigana, padyate. This is also in the list. Therefore, ekachanadada dhatu. Therefore, it will not take itagama. Therefore, the form would be apannavat. A plus pad plus tavat, panna. Apannam. We translate it as endowed with. Right? Vidya vinaya sampanne. Okay, sampanne. Some also sampurvaka pad dhatu. Sampanne, right? Sampanna is a pratipadikam. That is ta pratyaya. So ta tavatu both are same. If you know tavatu, same thing for ta also, right? What's the big difference? Same thing. So sampanne, sampannaha, sampanno, sampannaha. Saptami will be sampanne. Vidyavane sampanne. Okay. Then tud will become tud also. It is ekach anudata dhatu. Therefore, anit. It is in the list. Tunnavatu. Tud, first dhatu of the Chikana. Tudadika, sixth group, right? That is why the group is called Tudadi. Therefore, Tunnavatu. To strike, Tudati, Tudataha, Tudanti, Tunnavatu. Nud dhatu. Nud also Tudadikana. Not Nodati. Nudati, Nudataha, Nudanti, Latlakara Rupa. And you can know this is Naupadeshika dhatu, Murdani Nakara. Therefore, it will be replaced by Danti Nakara. Takara dhatu, it is Ekach Anudata dhatu, it is in the list. Therefore, Anit. Therefore, Nud plus Nud Tavatu will be Nunnavatu. Then with the Sattaya, Vidyate, Vidyate, Nasato, Vidyate, Bhavaha, Vidyate, Vidyadatu. Right? To exist. Same as Bhudatu only. Yeah. Vinnavatu. The form would be Vinnavatu. Spadi. Now here comes. Spadi is, what type of dhatu is this? Ikara is Ithalate. Therefore, because idid dhatu, therefore num will come. Dhatu is idid dhatu. Idid dhatu, therefore num agama will come. Num being with agama comes after the last touch. Therefore, spand. Kinchit chalane. Spand means to shave. Takara the dhatu. Is it there in the list? No. Therefore, it must be set. Therefore, spand plus tavatu, spanditavatu. Okay. Therefore, these two are, I had it in the list, but it is there said that. So therefore, it is not spannavatu, spanditavatu. Can be written separately. Anyway, I'll write like this. These two dhatus out of context here, or I have to put it somewhere. The idea is we can I will write here. Dhatus taking it agam. Dhatus is that is Nakaranta dhatu taking it agam. Nakaranta dhatu said Nakaranta dhatu. Can be right like that. Because dhatu don't take it. Satya takes it. Said Nakaranta dhatu. Some dhatu we can add if we find more. Therefore, it is spanditavatu. Spanditavatu. Therefore, the form would be Spanditavan. Spanditavan. Spanditavati. Spanditavatu. Right? Okay. So now, because it is not in the list, therefore said, therefore it will take itagama spanditavat. Then chadadatu. Chad to remove. Apavarane. Churadikana dhatu. Please note this is a Churadikana dhatu. What will be the Nijantarupam of the dhatu? Chad plus?
Chadi. Chadayati.
Not Chadi. Chadi. Chad is Chadi. Chad plus Nich. It will give you Upada.
Dirghatam.
Vriddhi. Therefore, this is Nich will cause Upada Vriddhi. Therefore, Chad will become Chad. Chad plus content of Nich being E. Therefore, Chadi. Like Chur become Chori.
Chori.
Right. This is Anekach dhatu. Therefore, set. Therefore, it becomes, you can see, the Nishta Rupam of Vijanta the Chad dhatu is Channa. It is not Chadi, not Chaditavan. Why? Because the Nishta Rupam of Vijanta dhatu Channa is given by Panini Maharishi by a rule. It's a sutra, 7-2. Don't worry about the sutra, just note. There, the word he says Channa. Without giving the rules, he has just used the form of Chadadatu in this rule. Therefore, Channa is a form. We have to know from the form what he has given. These are called nipatanam. Technically, this is called nipatanam. Nipatanam means the words which are just made. They are not given, they are not, they cannot be derived. Those words are ready-made words. See, all other words you can derive it. Other sutrams are available, you can apply the sutra, appropriate sutram and get the form. But there are some words for which the Pani Maharishi has not given the sutram, he just mentions it. This is the form of this dhatu. You have to accept as it is. So they are called ready-made words. Okay. You know why it is? Because for one word you have to tell so many things. So much sutra will come. Then alpha, then the sutra list will increase. So make it short. Just mentioning in as part of a sutra. And because it is used in the sutra, that word, therefore we can know this is a form of the dhatu. So channa, and here is channa in 7-27, the sutra here is svadhanta shanta purna. So therefore we can know channa is a rupa. Therefore chan plus tavatu is channavatu, right? Understand? So I'll do one thing. I will put this dhatu before this because this is also not like you know itagama. I'll place it here. This is a ready-made form. Channa is a ready-made. If you remember, we have seen in the infinite achanna, megha, megaihi achanna one, the lesson we saw.
Yes.
Megaihi achannam, nabaha, navasaha. Right? So achan, chadadhat. Here also I'll do the same thing. If any other set the karanta dhatu, then it will be like spandita. So therefore you can note the ready-made words, nipatanam. There are many such words, ready-made words. Even the word ritvij and all ready-made words. Ritvij, ritvij. You have learned the derivation in the beginning, chakarantaha. Ready-made words. Okay. So this category is over. Then the next one is dhatus ending with jash letter. What are the jash letters?
Jabhagadha.
Fourth letter of all the class consonants,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Shabhai,
Jabhain
Gadadash.
Gadash.
And dhatus which do not support. Not supporting. Taking, not supporting itagama. That is better. Okay. Not supporting itagama. Everywhere should be like that. Not supporting for dhatus with dakara and not supporting itagama. Because dhatus don't take itagama. So just letter followed by the itagama and the dhatus do not support itagama. It means anid dhatus. Therefore, the list you can see. The dhatus are anid dhatu. Anid dhatu means there must be ekaj and the other dhatu. And there are some weight dhatu because it is weight, therefore with regard to nishta it is anid. And there are some said dhatus that also will become, some special rule will become anid with regard to nishta. So let us see the dhatus in this category. Buddha dhatu, if you take first one. Buddha dhatu ending with just letter. Buddha to know. Divadikana buddhyate, 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 buddhyante, atmani padidhatu. So Buddha plus tavatu. Buddha dakaranta. Please check it is in the list. Therefore it is anit. Ekash anudata dhatu. Therefore anit. Because it is in the list, therefore it must be anit. Yeah. What? What's the question? Because it is in the list, therefore it must be Ekach Anudata Dhatu Anit. Okay. Just I'm writing here so that there's confusion here. So Buddha plus Tavatu. Now Sandhi rules will apply. Buddha is Jashanta letter followed by Jal. Therefore, Takara or Thakara. Remember the rule? Takara or Thakara following the Jashanta. of dhatu that will be replaced by dakara. Remember?
Yes,
Dattvam.
Guruji.
Shasthatordhodaha. The sutra.
Yes,
Then
Guruji.
check the Sandhi chart. So that's called Dattvam. We know the sutra by the name Dattvam. Now, after that, this is a, you have to look upon this da as a jal and followed by jash. Therefore, Jashtam number 2.
2.
But this is not a padam. We cannot apply Jalam Jashwan. Therefore, Jashtam 2, not 1. Jalam, Jashi.
Jashi.
So, therefore, you get Buddha, Buddhavat.
Buddhavat.
If it is Ta Pratyaya, then you get Buddha, Buddhaha. The next one, Lab Dhatu, Dulabash. Original Dhatu is Balash, 2 is its letter. Takara also is letter. So, it is Lab. It is it the list? Yes. Therefore, it must be
Anit.
Ekash.
Ajanudata.
Ekachanagata dhatu, therefore anit. Lab plus tavatu. What will happen? You can tell the form.
Labdhavat.
Labdhavatu. The takara will be replaced by dakara, then just as the 2, therefore it will become labdhavat. Right? Similarly, vriddha dhatu, vriddhau, vridhu, udit dhatu. This is udit dhatu. Therefore, what is udit means? Therefore, with takara to nishta, it will be
Anit.
vridhu. This is an udit dhatu, and it will be considered optionally when followed by nishta, prapratyaya, by this rule. Therefore, if a dhatu gets optional in anywhere in the shastram, the dhatu will become anit, nishta follows. Therefore, vriddha plus tavatu, the rupam would be
Vruddhavat.
Vriddha comes from this dhatu only. Vriddaha, old. Dattvam followed by Yashtvam. Okay, then next one, Ruddha. Divadigana. To desire. This also
In the list.
it is in the list. Therefore, it is Ekach, Anudata Dhatu. What will be the form?
Vruddhavat.
Ruddhavat. Just Tattvam followed by Jashtam. 2. Then Shuddha Dhatu, Shauche, pure, purified.
Shuddhavat.
Shuddhyate, Shuddhyata, Shuddhyanti. Perfect. It is in the list. Therefore, Ekach, Anudata Dhatu, Shuddha plus Shuddhavat.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Next one, Sadhatu, Saṃskṛtam, to accomplish. The Gita Bhashya recently came the word Sisada Ishati, Sanantaru, which is Swadigana, Sadhnoti, Sadhnutaha, Pustakana, Saṃskṛtam, to accomplish. This is Dakaranta Dhatu in their list. Therefore, it is Anit. And Sadh plus Tavatu will become
Sadhavat.
Sadha. Forget Sadhavat. Radha also same.
Radhavat.
Radhavat. Radnoti, Radnutaha, Radrumanti. Radhavat. Where it is Dattvam followed by Yashtam 2.
2.
Kruddha Dhatu. Krode, Krudhyati. This is also Divadi. Kruddaha, right? Kruddavat. Same. Tattvam followed by Jashtam 2. Then Yuddha Dhatu. Or you can say Divadigana. Divadigana, we have many Dakaranta Dhatus.
Yuddhavat.
Yuddhaha. Yuddhavat. Dattvam followed by Jashtam. Shidu, Siddha Dhatu. To rule, to be auspicious. Siddhavat. And here, Sidhu, Udit Dhatu, this is. The Dhatu here, you can see it is Vet Dhatu. But with regard to Nishta, it is.
Anit.
It is not in the list. It's in the list. We see.
Just check up.
Sidhu. Here I have given the list. Siddha. Maybe there are other dhatus, possibly. Siddha. Yeah, there are dhatu in the Bhuvadigana. Bhuvadigana, it is what's the state of this? In the Divadigana, it is anit. Okay. So dhatu,
Guruji.
what you see.
Guruji, in the Dakar Dhatu, Krud,
Mm.
you have given them as 11, but there are only 10 in the list.
No, one is
Maybe-
there in the file. It's closer to the Dakar and the dhatu, where
Dhakarant Dhatu, there are only 10 in the list, but the number given in the brackets is 11. Kshud, Bhud, Bandh, Yudh, Rudh.
you count this also. This is that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, because
I
of
missed it.
when I convert word to PDF,
Okay.
one dhatu is isolated.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah. Got it, Guruji.
Similarly for all, not only here.
Yeah, now I see that.
Now
So-
you see the Siddha dhatu, that what is given here, right? It is Anit dhatu, not in the list. Okay, this Siddha dhatu is different. Maybe I will write this also. The Siddha dhatu is Siddhyati, Siddhyataha, it is Divadigana dhatu. Divadigana dhatu is Anit. So, but here what the dhatu I have given is this C. It is Bhuvadigana. Okay, I think this I will write. This also be there. Okay, so I'll make this, copy this. Take this dhatu. Siddha. It is indeed Divadigana. Divadigana meaning is different. If you take Divadigana, it is Samradha. So that is what in the list it is given, Samradha. Is to be accomplished. Divadigana, fourth gana. So Siddhyati, Siddhyataha, Siddhyanti, the Rupam will be like that. Akarmaka dhatu, it is Anit. So the meaning is to be accomplished. So many other meanings. Okay, to be accomplished is fine. To be accomplished, to be fine. This is a Dakara and the dhatu, it is in the list. Ekach. Therefore, it must be Anit. Then the Rupam would be.
Siddhavat.
Then it is Siddhavat. Right? Just on to reply, you get Siddhavat.
Siddhavat.
Now, there is another dhatu, Siddha dhatu. So if you say, I would say this is 10A and this is 10B.
Oh.
Okay. 10A, if we take it is
Vadikana.
It is Udit dhatu. It is Udit dhatu. Because it is Udit,
Numdat. Magama will come.
not Numagama, Udit dhatu. Therefore, it is optionally it. So, therefore, here it is Anit. The dhatu is Shidhu dhatu, Udit dhatu. Okay. But here B is, it is Shidhu Udit dhatu, it is, which belongs to first gana,
Vadigana.
Vadigana, Parasparpadi. It is a, now here Udit dhatu. Udit dhatus are, being Udit, therefore, it is not in the list. So you have to say here, it is not in the list. And therefore it is not Ekach. Therefore not Ekach. Not Ekach on the other dot. Therefore it must be
Set.
Set.
But this dhatu being Udit dhatu, therefore it is optionally it by this rule, because Udit is there. All Udit dhatus are optionally it. Therefore, by the rule, general rule, dhatus which are optional it.
Anywhere in the
Shastra would not be considered.
Therefore, it will be Anit. Right? Therefore, Udit dhatus will be considered optionally it. Since they are considered optionally it, therefore, with regard to
Pratyaya, it is
Nishta, it is Anit. Therefore, Siddha plus Tavatu.
Siddhavat.
There also you get the same form.
Just want to
right? But just showing that it is udit dhatu, which is set dhatu. So set, therefore, this is set and this is anit. Please note, okay. This is udit dhatu, this is udit dhatu. The rupam in lakara, it will be different. The first one will be Divadigana will be Siddhyati, Siddhyata, Siddhyanti, right? And what about Dvadigana? Siddh plus
Yes.
what will be the
Hey.
Rupam?
Siddhyate,
Sedati,
siddhyate.
Sedataha, Sedanti. Guna will
Sed.
happen. Siddh plus Shap. C will become Sedati, Sedataha, Sedanti,
Sedanti.
right? Right. Next one. Shubh dhatu. Sanchalane, Bakaranta dhatu, to agitate. This is also a ready-made word. Please note. This is a ready-made word given by we have not given what is a rule and all. Just a note. Shubh is said dhatu, but said dhatu itagama should come. But Pani Maharishi has given the rupa. Shuddha. Therefore, you have to infer from, since it's a ready-made word, therefore, no, it is, and no itagama here. Therefore, Shuddha. You have to consider it as anit and get the form. Shubhitam is a ready-made word with itagama. This is also given.
Shubitam.
That's another one. Shubhitam. Shubda meaning a churning stick. Shubhitam means agitated. In those meaning, they are ready-made words. The churning stick. That matanam is there. Mat. Matanam. The Shubda. Shubhita means disturb. In that meaning, it is.
So Kshobha is from this dhatu.
Yeah, Shobha. Shobha is agitation. That's a month. What we chant, right? What is that? Deshoyam Kshobharhitaha. Right? Deshoyam Raja Dharmiko. Brahmana Santa Nirbhaya. We chant, right? So that Shubda. Without agitation. Shobhi. Okay. Shobha. So Kshubhita. Please note this is a ready-made word. Right? So see the list now. So Kshubdhatu, Kshubdavata I have written here, but you can note that is given. The words are given as ready-made words. Vipatanam. So Kshubda also is a Kshubita also is in the respective meanings. And Rabdhatu, Rab to be happy, Bakaranta Dhatu, it is in the list. Therefore it is Ekacham Dhata Dhatu.
Anit dhatu.
Sorry, Guruji. In that printed colored one, is it Shubdavat or Shubhitavat?
I have given Kshubitavat.
In the green printed one.
This
Yeah.
is Shubha.
Shubda. Shubhita also is there, you can note it. That is explained in this document. Right? Okay.
So there is an optionality, is it?
Yeah, meaning wise difference. The sense of churning stick, it is Shubda. The sense of disturbed or agitated, it is Shubhita. Okay. Next dhatu, Bhakaranta dhatu, Rabdhatu, which is also anit, therefore Rabdhavat. Rab become the same thing. Dattam followed by Dashtam, number 2, Rabdhavat. So with this, Jashanta dhatus taking no itagama, it's done. Next one is dhatus ending with Jakara or Chakara. Remember Chakara, what is Chakara? This. See, here Chakara I wrote for our understanding. It's not just a Chakara is enough. Huh? You know, when Chakara, this Alpa Prana Chakara will come, you know, when it will come. Like in Prach.
Yes.
Then
Chatva
Chakara comes. Huh?
Sandhi.
No. You know, I taught you. Tukkagama Sandhi. Remember?
Yes, Guruji. Yes.
That is, I just type here and then delete. Let's see. See, there's a rule. What? Then Chakara, okay, rule I will write just for explanation. Chakara follows a Rasva. The Rasva will take Tuk Agama, right? I'll give one Sandhi example. We have seen the Sandhi. Vriksha plus Chaya. This is example I think I gave.
Mm.
Vriksha, the word is followed by Chaya. Since Chakara follows Rasva, Akara, therefore, Rasva will take Tukkagama, right?
Yes.
Tukkagama being Kittagama comes after the last letter, Vrikshat. Then Chaya, then after that, Takara and Chakara in contact, therefore,
Chatu.
we can apply. Okay, if it is a Padam, then you can do Justice Sandhi.
Mm.
And Jakara, then Dakara will become Jakara, then Karicha will apply finally, right? Then Chakara will apply. Therefore, finally, the Chaya, right? This is what you get. Same thing here also. That's what is given here. Even the Dhatu Pracha, see, Dhatu is, it is Prachi Dhatu. Dhatu is not Prachi, sorry. Dhatu is Pracha. Pracha Dhatu. Not Prachi. Chakara because of Cha. Ra followed, it's a vowel, ending with the vowel. Therefore, since Chakara follows, this Chakara is right. If Chakara goes away by for some reason, for example, Chakara is going to be replaced by Buddhani Chakara. Chakara replaced by Buddhani. What will happen to Chakara? Tukkagama. That also goes away. Nimitta Paya, Nimittika Paya. When the cause effect goes away, what is the cause goes away? Where is the effect? Right? Nimitta Paya. When the cause vanishes, the Karya also vanishes. Right? Okay. But anyway, I have written here Chakara because this is there as part of the Sutram, Vrascha, Sruja, Brija, Yaja, Braja, Cha. Right? That is Cha. And Jakara also. So it means that is what I am referring to. That what is the rule? Shatvam, 1. Apavada 2, Kutvam. Kavarga will be replaced by Kavarga letter, that is Kutvam. As an Apavada to that, a few dhatus are listed. Vrascha, Sruja, Brija, Yaja. Those dhatus as well as Chakaranta dhatu, when followed by Jala at the end of the Padam, will be replaced by Mudanya Chakara. So those dhatus are only you will see in this category. So this category, if you see, contains dhatus which are listed in the rule. Srij dhatu, is it not there in the rule? Please check. Vrascha, Sruja. It is there. Yaja is there. Brija is there. Vrascha is there. Raj, Prach. All the dhatus are there.
Yes.
So what will happen to these dhatus? So therefore, that is what is. Those dhatus are covered here. Okay. Therefore, Jakaranta dhatu, Kuttam will not happen here. Right? So that's it's given separate. Kuttam already we have seen. Where? Tyaja and all. Tyaktavati itself we have seen already. So these dhatus take Itakama and becoming Shakara. Dhatus ending with Jakara and Chakara becoming Shakara. By that, the Sutram, 8 to 36, right? That Sutra number. Vrascha. Now take this Raj dhatu. It is in the list. Yes. Therefore, it must be.
It must be Anit.
It is, sorry, Eka Chanadata dhatu. Okay. In the list means understand. It is Eka Chanadata dhatu, therefore Anit. Therefore, Srij plus Tavatu. Apply the Sandhi rule. First, will you apply Kuttam or Shatvam?
Shatvam.
Chakara will be replaced by Shakara. Now it becomes Shakara, then Chakara and Takara in contact. Suttam. Therefore, you get Srishta. Understand? Srishta. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
So from Srij, you get Srishta. Okay. What is Srishta means? It tells me the meaning. What is Srishta? Srishta, Srishtavat, Srishtam.
Srishti. It comes from Srishti.
Yes, Srishti also from the Srishti dhatu only. That is Srilinga.
Creation.
There's a thin pratyaya, Srilinga pratyaya, whose content is ti, right? That becomes the same rule. Jakara becoming Buddha Jakara, then Shuttam, you get Srishti. Srishti is Ikaranta Shabda, Srilinga Shabda, right? Srishti. Srishtihi, Srishti, Srishtayaha. Okay, understand? Right?
Yes, Guruji.
Srishti means Srishta. Srishti means creation. I'm asking what is Srishta?
Something that is created.
Exactly, created. Srishti is creation. Srishta is created. Srishtavat means
One who creates.
Srishtavan, Srishtavanto, the one who creates. Right?
Yes. Hmm.
There is another pratyaya, but also we can refer to the creator. What is the pratyaya? Srishtavan. Srishtavan means Srishtavan, the creator. Srishtaha is the creator. So Srishtavan, Srishtaha, Srishti, all the words you can note. Okay. Now there is another word, Srishtihi, Srishtaha, Srishtavan, by which we can refer to the creator. Another pratyaya, by which we can refer to the doer of the action. What is that? You know.
Ruch.
Exactly, very good. Kru plus Trich, what do you get? What does it mean?
Kru, karoti.
The one who does Yaka Karoti Saha. What is that? Karta. Kru will become Kar. It is Kartra. Kartra, when you decline, becomes Karta. Yaka Karoti Saha Karta, right? Yaka Srijyati Saha Srishtavan. Srishtavan. Similarly, here you add a Trich. Similarly, Srija also you can do, right? Srij plus Trich. What do you get? Huh?
Srishta.
Srij, okay.
Srishta.
Chakara is iterator, therefore becomes
Srishta.
Srishtru.
Srishta.
When you decline, it becomes
Kartru.
Srishta. This is wrong.
Srishta.
Exactly, it is. It is not Srishta.
It is Srishta.
You may think Srij plus Trich, like that only. This is also gel letter. Therefore, Shattam we will do. And then Shuttam. Therefore, Srishtru is Rikaranta, like Kartru. Therefore, we can decline like Kartru Shabda, Srishta. No. Srishta, if you take, here, Srishta we formed, right? In Srilinga, it will be Srishta. If what is created is something Napumsakalinga, right? Then it is Srishta. Here also Srishta. It can be same, right? Srishta is that which is created. We are talking about the creator. The creator is Srashta, not Srishta. It means, yes, one more rule is this is some other rule by which, you know what happens when, that I will not just tell the one this much. It will get one agama. Okay. Very specifically for Srij and Drish Dhatu, we have this rule.
Once you told Guruji.
Yeah, Sru will take Ru plus what will happen? What's in the Makara is Itagama. That is italator. Mitagama, Makara italator, remove that. Therefore, Sru plus is Sraj. Now it is Sraj plus Trich. When you do, you get Srashta, Srashtru, Srashta. Now you can decline the Karanta Shabda. Srashta, Srashtaro, Srashtara. Similarly, Drish also. What is Drish Dhatu? The seer. What is the Rupam?
Drashta, Drashtara.
Is it Drishta?
It is
Drashta.
Drashta.
Drishta means that which is seen. If what is seen is Strilinga, then becomes Drishta. Drishtapalam. Drishtapalam and all we know, right? Drishtapalam. But here it is Drashta, Drashtru. Drashta, Drashtaro, Drashtaraha. How you get? Same thing. Here also, get one Amagama. Dru plus Sam will undergo that simple Yansandi. By that you get Dru is replaced by Repa plus Dra. Drach plus Trich. Then you get Drashtru. Then Drashta, Drashtaro. You can decline this. So note, these two dhatus are different, not different from other dhatus, which will get agama. It's a rule separately for this. Understand? This is for the Trich Pratyaya. I mean, Jaladi, it's a rule. Anyway, it's all not required just to note this. So, Okay. Sruchi Drishor Jali Akiti is a rule. When followed by a pratyaya which is not a kit, please, that's a rule. Sruch, is it a kit pratyaya? No.
No.
When followed by akit pratyaya, srich dhatu and drish dhatu will get agama. That's a rule.
Okay.
Here when followed by what pratyaya? Kit pratyaya. Therefore no
Kit
amagama.
Hmm.
Therefore they just do the shatvam and then shutvam. Understand? Okay. I just cut this and send it to you in the group. You can have it write in your notes as you like.
Yes, Guruji.
Watch the recording and then write as it is. It's an incidental information. Okay. Therefore, yes, Srishtavat. Now, what I'm saying is why I took that. Srishtavan is equal to, I mean, if you take, see, okay, if you take
Srashta.
Srishta, right?
Hmm.
Both are same.
Hmm.
That's why. Okay, fine. Yaju will become, tell me the Rupam. Yaju is in the list. Therefore, the Dhatu doesn't support Itagama. So H plus Tavatu, what will be the Rupam?
Yajnavat.
Yajnavata. Huh?
Ishta.
Yes, right. Tell me, what is that?
Yakara will be replaced by Ikara.
Exactly. Saṃskṛtam. Don't forget. This Dhatu will undergo Saṃskṛtam. Yajna comes by some other rule. Okay, Yajna is a good one, but it's not by this. So Yaj Dhatu to worship, Jakara Dhatu, Anit Dhatu. Therefore, what will happen? Yaj plus Tavatu. Yaj will undergo. There are some Dhatus. I can give you a list of Dhatus. But only thing is, some Dhatus when followed by Git Pratyaya, some Dhatus when followed by Kit Pratyaya. So like Vach Dhatu, Swab Dhatu, Yaj Dhatu, Yajadina. Remember, we have seen before. I mentioned Yajadina.
Yes.
Right?
Guruji.
Yajadina, Yaj Dhatu. This is a subgroup in the Bhadigana. I told you.
No, Guruji.
Yeah, we have seen some of that.
We have derived. We derived also.
Yaj Dhatu, which is a subgroup. In the Bhadigana, we have seen Yajadi is a subgroup where the Dhatus, some Dhatus under this
Samadhi
list.
Antargana.
No, not Samadhi, Bhavadi Antargana. So, anyway, don't worry. Just note this. Vach Dhatu, then Swab Dhatu. Swab means to sleep. Yaj Dhatu. The list of Dhatus beginning with Yajadi. Yajadi, Antargana Dhatu. In the first Gana. Right? Antargana, Dhatavaha, then Grak Dhatu, Jya, Vai,
Yeah.
Dhatu. All this I think I've given, right?
Yes. We have derived this
With
Dhatu.
the Dhatu, then I think
No, I don't have that.
Vashti. Okay, some of Dhatu, Vashti, Vichati, Vashti, Prichati. Prich also he said like this. So all these Dhatus will undergo Samprasana. Maybe I'll give you the list. I'll give the list. Okay, what are the Dhatus will undergo Samprasana? That is given by do. Okay, I'll write here in this file, so it'll be useful. Here I will write. That is Dhatus undergoing Samprasana. Dhatus. Or Samprasarana Dhatavaha. Right? Samprasarana Dhatavaha. Which will undergo Samprasaranam? Condition. Condition is when followed by what pratyaya? That is important. Okay. So I will write here. Number 1. When followed by Kit. When followed by Kit pratyaya. Yes, the Dhatus, some Dhatus which will undergo Samprasarana. What are those dhatus? And followed by kit pratyaya. So starting from vach dhatu. Vach, to speak. From that only we get the word vacha, vach. Then swap dhatu, to dream. Then there is yajadi, antargana, bodhi antargana dhatavaha. This is in the first gana, bodhi. Then what dhatu? Then the next one, yajadi gana list of dhatus are there. I'm not giving that list, just to notice. Then drak dhatu, jya dhatu. That is grinati, grinitaha. Then venj dhatu, venj becomes vayi. Then vid dhatu, vid becomes it is yad dhatu. That vid becomes later. Yad dhatu. Then vasha, vash dhatu, kantau. Then vyacha, or vyaja, vyacha. Then vrash dhatu. The ith letter will be O vrashtu. Anyway, vrashcha, vrashja, that is a dhatu. That also will undergo samprasaranam. Vrach dhatu will undergo samprasaranam. Then vrashcha. This will go, all these dhatus. So when followed by kit pratyaya, these dhatus, above dhatus, will undergo samprasaranam. Understand? And here, another thing is, I'm just writing a subgroup. When followed by nit pratyaya, you see the pratyaya is nit now. When followed by nit pratyaya, these dhatus, except these dhatus, remove these dhatus. The drak, jya, etc. These dhatus will undergo samprasaranam. When followed by nit pratyaya, all right, like this. When followed by nit pratyaya, the dhatus will undergo samprasaranam. When followed by kit pratyaya, the dhatus all these dhatus will undergo samprasaranam. Rich and brush. Understand? So this also it is this all samprasarana dhat. We have seen in fact samprasarana dhatavaha, separate category. Vadikana once we have seen. Now, coming back here. So here, therefore, ejadhatu is when we see ejadhatu, we have to note it is samprasarana dhat. And nishta pratyaya, tat pratyaya, kit pratyaya follows. Therefore, it will undergo samprasaranam. Therefore, what will happen to yakara? Will be replaced by corresponding. So when yakara is replaced by ikara, then what will happen? Yakara only. Here, please note yakara plus akara plus yakara, dhatu, right? Yakara is replaced, consonant is replaced by vowel. Then E plus A?
Yensan. A.
Not Yensan. If you Yensan, you do again back to the square one.
Yes.
Because this is samprasaranam, therefore samprasaranam will replace both.
By
It
samprasaranam.
is the rule. Samprasaranam and followed by H, both will be replaced by samprasaranam. Remember, the process is also called samprasaranam. The substitute is also samprasaranam we saw.
Yes.
Both are replaced by E only. Okay. Don't forget, otherwise we'll get back to the same thing. So samprasaranam happens, therefore H become each. Then after that you do ish. That is shatvam and shtutvam. You get? Shatvam by, what is Shatvam? This is, Shatvam is Apavada to Kuttam, that is what Shatvam. Shatvam number 1 it is. Shatvam means don't think it is Sakara becoming Mudani Shakara. It is Chakara becoming Mudanya. Followed by Shtuttam, therefore Ishtavat. What do you mean by Ishtavat? The one who worships is called Ishta. Okay, that is the meaning here. The one who worships, Ishtaha, right? See, we can note then the same Yajidatu plus Ta Pratyaya, what do you get? Ishta, right? Same thing. Huh? Here, what is the meaning? Ishta means that which is worshipped.
Worshipped. Ishta Devata.
No. Ishta Devata is, that is from the Dhatu, Ish Dhatu. Ish means Ichayam. Ichati, Ichataha, Ichanti. That what you get. There it is Ishta. That is Ishta Devata.
Ishta Devata.
Ishta Devata. So here it is the Devata which is worshipped. Here the Ishta means that which you like, your favorite. Okay, the Dhatus are different. But form looks same. Therefore it is not same Dhatu, right? Okay.
Yes, correct.
Next one. Brju, Udit Dhatu. Therefore what? Vikalpena, Ita.
Anit.
That is why wait. With regard to Nishta, it is
Anit.
Anit. Therefore, Mrij plus Tavatu. What will happen to Mrij?
Mrishtavat.
Mrishta. I don't need to explain all these things, you know, right?
Yes, correct.
This is Jakarana Dhatu, not in the list, therefore Ekachana Dhatu. Sorry, not Ekachana Dhatu, therefore it must be said. Because it is being Udit, therefore it is optionally Git. By the rule which states that, which is optionally it for somewhere else in the Shastra, with regard to Nishta, it will be Anit. So all this rules, the same thing I copied. The sequence, you know, follow. Mrishtavatu. Okay. Then Brasja. The Brasja, the Dhatu, Brasj Dhatu. Brasja, Pake.
We leave the list to Guruji.
Ekachana Dhatu, therefore Anit. So therefore, what will happen? This also will undergo Samprasaranam. So Bra, which will undergo Samprasaranam? Repa. So Repa will be replaced by R. So therefore you get Br. In fact, Brijati, Brijataha, Brijanti. Sudadigana, the form would be. Datlakara Rupam. So therefore Brist. Brist plus Tavatu. After that? After that.
The first Jakaram will be Shatvam.
Huh? No. You don't forget something is there before that we have to do it.
Yes.
This is followed by Jal and this ending with ending with a conjunct consonant. Conjunct consonant having Sakara as the first letter, Adi Varna. What will happen to Sakara then?
Sakara drops.
Exactly. Sanyoganta Silopaha. After that, we have seen this rule also.
Yes.
Sakara Kakara as the Adi Varna of the conjunction followed by Jal.
Yeah, Sakara drops.
Followed by Jal. Then Sakara is dropped. Okay, don't forget that. It is in the rule, right? We have seen.
Yes,
Yes,
Go Sanyoga Dyogo and Techa Sutram. Then followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam, the conjunct consonant having Sakara in the beginning, right? Or Kakara.
Beginning.
Sakara Kakara will be dropped. Therefore, you get bridge. Not Sanyoganta Silopaha. Okay. This is Go Sanyoga Dyogo and Techa. Anyway. Sanyoganta Silopaha says Sanyoga at the end of Antya. Therefore, Sanyoganta Silopaha, it says Padam ending with the conjunct consonant, right? But here it is not ending with the conjunct, it's not a Padam, right? Therefore, here what?
8 to 29, Guruji.
8 to 29, that should be, right?
Yeah. Sanyogan, Skoho, Sanyogan.
So I just write the number alone. Very good. Okay. This is what applies, right? What does it say?
Skoho.
Either the word must be ending with a conjunct consonant having sakara at the first letter, or followed by jal. Then that sakara will,
Kakara.
or kakara, that will drop. Okay.
Yeah. Padante Jalipare.
Tadanta jalipare, exactly. So then you can do shatvam 1 followed by shtutvam, brishtavat. Similarly, braj also it is there, the same sutra, vrastya, srujam, ruja, yaja, braja, patula, braj, it's a set dhatu.
Saṃskṛtam.
Not in the list, set dhatu. Therefore, set. But what happens? Braj plus tavatu. Braj dhatu, which is, is there in the list? I think 100, huh? Chakaranta dhatu. Braj dhatu. Yeah, it is not in the list. Therefore, it must be said. But why it doesn't take itagama? Then you see this rule. Yeah. First one, no. Second one, no. Third one, no. Fourth one, that also no. Then Radha the Antargana, that also no. Braj dhatu. It is not in the list.
What is the Aupadeshika form, Guruji?
Aupadeshika. Braj, Brajru. Dubajru. You can take it as a Hastagana. Okay, it's a set dhatu. Brajate, brajante. Form is the set dhatu only. So itagama is not denoted. Not with it.
Not that.
Itagama is not negated. Okay. So brajitum, the form is wrong actually. What I wrote is here, it is wrong. It is not in the list. Yes, it's correct. Therefore, it is set only. Therefore, itagama is not negated. Oh, that's what I have written. Okay, it's correct only. Okay, sorry. I have written correctly only. Braj. Okay. I thought I wrote without itagama. You can see Rajitavat. So this is an odd one. This dhatu is a set dhatu. You see. So here, that's why I have marked both in red color. Because these two are not anit. Okay, that is why in this, if you see here, I have marked in red color. Either I have to write one line and then do it. Here I have marked it. Or I will do like this. Okay, let it be like this, the same other way I have to change everything. Please note, this is red color means it is anit. Sorry, it is set, not anit. It is not in the list, therefore it is set. So my Rajidhatu also. Not in the list, therefore set, therefore Rajitavat. Once itagama comes, no sandhi rules, right? No shattamanda. Just do the melanam. Next one is prachadhatu. Important. Prachadhatu, the originally it is pracha. Chakara follows, therefore tukkagama, and tukkagama undergoes, chakara undergoes sandhi change, finally becomes chakara. Chakara, you get prach. Now this prachadhatu is samprasarana dhatu. Prachadhatu, which is then the list, therefore it is an ekachanudada dhatu, it is anit dhatu, and samprasarana dhatu, therefore when kit pratyaya follows, pra will become, repa will become, therefore prach. Then chakara followed by takara, shattam 1 will happen. Chakara will be replaced by mudane shakara. When chakara is replaced by mudane shakara, tukkagama also will go away. Therefore you get prish. Then shuttam when you do prishtavatu. So prishtavat is prishtavan ityartaha, right? Prishtavan, prishtavanto, prishtavantaha. Trich pratyaya will be prashta. Prashta Prashtaro, the questioner, right? The question is called Prashnaha. There's a separate pratyaya for this prash. That is prash plus naha. The prach will become prash when prashnaha. Here apavada to shat, by shat stutvam will not happen. That's why you get prashnaha. Prashnaha from the prachadatu only. The prachadatu will become prach, prash. And after that, there's a pratyaya, na pratyaya. When you add, then by the apavada of to stutvam, so there is no, this will not be replaced by nyakara, chavarga letter. So you get prashna. This also we have seen as an apavada, the same example, prashna, vishna. Anyway, all these are additional things. Prashtavat, this is the form you get. Prashtavan means the one who questions. Prashtaha, that what is questioned. And if you add trich pratyaya, that's what I said. Trich pratyaya get prashtru, prashta, prashtaro, prashtarha, the questioner. Right? In Latlakara, it is prichati. There are also some prasaranam happens. We have seen.
Guruji,
Yes.
in Shritva Sandhi, we studied that Shakara plus 2, that means Tata,
Yeah.
Dhana, no Shtutvam happens.
No, yeah. Shakara
Shakara plus
in contact
2.
with Tavarga.
2, Tavarga.
Yeah.
No Shtutvam
No,
happens.
that's what I did now.
Yeah.
And the Shakara here, that is fresh. Fresh plus na, no Shtutvam. Therefore, right, as it is fresh na, no Shtutvam.
Prashna.
That's what I said. Here, apavada to Shtutvam. Okay. Apavada to Shtutvam. I'm not saying Shtutvam will happen. Okay. Apavada to Prashna. What I'm saying is the Prashna also, the word is derived from the same dhatu, Prach dhatu. This is a another pratyaya. There's a pratyaya, nang pratyaya. In fact, it is. In pratyaya, I think Vikara is a letter. Okay. Anyway, so get Prashna. Fine. I think we'll stop here. From K onwards, we'll see next class.
Okay, Guruji.
Let's go through this. The document is complete now. All the things are filled up. This also is done. So I will send you. From K onwards, we will do. Next class. K will finish. This class will complete. And if you can, if possible for you, you can do this exercise. Please do some 32 or other. Write the forms. If the upasarga is given, write the forms. You can take this as your homework.
Yep.
So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.